maybe things broke. I don't know what happened. Got a stream encoder error. And the game itself froze. I don't know why that happened. Hopefully things are fine there. I don't know if... Normally at the right here I can see chat. I don't know why I can't right now. Which is concerning. I don't know what happened. Welcome back to your own stream. Yeah! Also, hello, Reptilian Goddess. Hi. I don't know what happened. Oh, what's going on at the side of the screen here? Yeah, you guys are just seeing infinite OBS. I'm having to... In my camera settings... everything just died. Allen key. That's a lot of processing for streaming. No? Probably. Yes. If I had to guess. Let me just get my camera settings back to kind of... that's good enough. Hello. Also, Allen key and Reptilian Goddess. Yeah, so if you guys just got here, basically I was looking at Half-Life Alyx and Boneworks, 2 VR games, to sort of get ideas for my VR game. And more so look at mainly in terms of VR controls, like, how do these games handle their controls in terms of like, how exactly, are the hands working and like their movement systems and all that. I was looking a bit on Alyx, like for a minute before the crash. Fair enough. Things seem to be back now. You guys can see the things, that's good sign. And I don't know what's wrong with the chat thing below my head, but we're just gonna hope that that's fine. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna plug this back in. Wait, wrong thing, or hold on. What? 1 minute, just let me plug things back in under my desk. Is that good now? Oh, are you good? Why did that not turn on my other thing? There we go, okay. Now I can put this over here. Okay, so I don't know how much having the other monitor helps. Whatever. Okay, I can't see. The only chat I can see is from the OBS recording itself now. Okay, I will troubleshoot that later. Let's just finish this so I can. Maybe once I close Half-Life Alyx, then it will maybe be fine. Right there. Wow. Oh wait. Light theme. Wow, you're a crazy man. Yes, I am. I use light mode where I can. All right. This is still frozen. Is the game still frozen? I can hear noises. Yeah, I think this is all frozen. Oh, that's unfortunate. I don't know what happened. Darn. Okay, maybe this is the universe telling me to stop this. I was basically done my research and was about to just be playing Half-Life Alyx normally. Maybe I don't do that. I save that for another day. I don't want to close the Oculus app. Yeah, I probably should. I do actually have things to do. As I said, I'm quite busy, so I probably should just actually like get back to work properly. Fine, I will play more. Maybe I'll do a proper like a let's play of Half-Life Alyx at a later date. But yeah, I did the shall we say enough anyway of the sort of research that I wanted to do. So let's get this back up and running, shall we? Wow. Hold on, actually over here. 1 minute. Let me just... I have my phone over here seeing if the stream is working. Let me just kind of double check myself. Oh no. Wait, is this working? Is the stream actually back? It is. Okay, sorry, I just had to double check that. Like on my end, being able to see my own stream. I don't know why chat's broken. Why are you weird? Let me try opening you again. View docs menu. Hold on. I have to fix things. Did you get all the requirements finished? Hi, lightning stripes. Okay, now yeah, people are starting to be in here right as everything broke. Hold on. Everything broke in my stream, so I'm just having to repair things. 1 minute. I just can't completely see chat. Let me just get that back up and running. There we go. Okay, chat's back for me. Unity's opening. Okay, that's what you get. Yeah. So, I mean, I was literally, we're here to enjoy your suffering. Yeah, well, you can't enjoy my suffering if I'm not, if the stream is dead. I mean, funny enough, people want me to play a horror game on stream. I was just about to be doing horror game stuff, and then OBS was like, no for you. I was about to be playing a section of Half-Life Alyx that some people consider to be the scariest part of the game. But I spent all day learning React. I need to enjoy someone else's suffering. Fair enough. Well, yeah, I mean, okay, I don't have time. I'm like, part of me is like, I'll go open up Half-Life Alyx again and maybe I'll play through some of that thing. But another part of me is like, I do really need to move on. I am a little stressed about how much stuff I have to do in such a short amount of time, I really shouldn't be. I should, okay, like the responsible thing to do would be to put my foot down and say, no, let's get into the things that I actually want to do. So, or like the things that I actually need to get done. So, unfortunately, maybe I'll continue that at another date. In fact, I do think, well, it is a bit weird that I'm, because he slacked off and didn't do the requirements. Oh, I did. Sorry, I didn't, I'm responding to different things at once. My tag game is done. Enough. It's done for my school project. So I'm going to continue to work on it on my own. Well, I have to do like a part 2 submission, but the submission that's due tonight in a few hours, it's done. I finished that yesterday. I'm hitting my desk, and that's probably right beside the microphone. Hey! Oh my God! Lightning stripes! Hey! Thank you! Well, like I said, done for the most part. Yes. Well, thank you. Thank you for that. I really appreciate that, Lightning Stripes. Thank you. And you're gonna hear my voice cracks. My voice cracks. You said you wanted to see who said that? Alan Key. You wanted to see suffering. Well, you're seeing the opposite of suffering. You're seeing my gratitude towards Lightning Stripes right now. But thank you. That's amazing. Thank you. Okay, so let's. Yeah, okay, what was I doing now? Okay, so, here, let me show you guys, since you may not have seen it yesterday, let me show you the tag game, as it's, finished. So, let me just find it real quick. It's up, you guys can play it now, I didn't mention that. I have a link to it, or on itch.io, my itch.io page, there's a link to it. If you go in my Discord, those of you that are in my Discord, it's like, I posted that link there, a few hours ago, so it's probably still like, you know, there that you can find it easily. Okay, let me find it myself though, and I'll put another link in chat for those who want to play it. It's not, oh yeah, love the image for it. It's not like amazing, for sure. Appreciate you helping me with code, no problem. And again, if you need more help with things, I'd be happy to try and help as I can find time. Because again, there's a degree to which I'm quite busy with things, but. So this is my tag game. If you're familiar, or if you're interested in playing it, I'm actually just going to show it myself on stream now because I can. And we're going to hope that it's actually still working and nothing like broke. That would be unfortunate. But to my knowledge, it's all working. Yeah, I guess now's a good time to test that. Here, let me. No, right. I don't need to set up VR stuff. I was like, wait, do I need to replug this in? No, because this is not a VR thing. So this doesn't even have music. I would have liked to meet. There's so many things I would have liked to do with this tag game that unfortunately just didn't pan out. But hopefully in the sort of part two edition, they will. So we got our AIs that can run around and do all this stuff. I can like tag people. Okay, I didn't do a good job at showing the tagging. But when I touch someone, they freeze for a second. So right now, I think, yeah, he's chasing me. Oh, here he comes. Pathfinding still, could be refined quite a bit more, but he's trying his best. If I let him tag me, then, oh, he got me, and I'm frozen, and now he's running away. And you can see the bars on the bottom left about who's winning, what my point situation is. Haha, I just tagged him. I would like the outline to be done a lot better. Just put that out there. This outline, this red and green that's around them, isn't great. But I just wanted some way to be able to look at a guy and immediately tell like whether you should be running away from him or not. Yeah. So that's one thing I wanted out of this. Very nice. It would be cool to have a player's hand reach out, visible to reach out and aim to tag. Yes. So going beyond that, what I would have the super polished version of this that I would have liked to have would have been that. Oh no. That's not what you want to see. That's not what you want to see at all. It's fine. As I said, as long as it works like 90% of the time. The super polished version of this would have been... You good? Oh no. This was working! Oh, I just got tagged by someone. Okay, so I mean, it's... Why aren't you changing where you're trying to go? Okay, you're fine. It's fine. What was I saying? The super polished version of the actual tagging would have been like it goes into a mini animation where you actually like reach out and touch them, and then they then you run away for a second. Like having it do almost like a mini cutscene where the two models actually interact with each other and face each other. That's what I would have liked to happen. Did not get the time to do that. What would have been also cool is like what I would have liked to have had happen is with you tagging, I would have liked to have had it that there's this actual object that they're fighting over, almost like reverse hot potato or something. So this actual object that the people that are running away are actually holding, and when you tag someone, you actually are physically ripping it out of their hands and running away. That's what I would have liked to happen. And maybe in Part 2 edition, that's the maybe sort of stuff that we'll implement. It would be nice. Halo Oddball, particles on it would have been a good way to show who is it. Oh yeah, particles. Yeah, probably could have been a good way to do it. I would like to, yeah, next time. Oh, there's somebody won. Badberry won, and you can play again or you can quit. Okay, I'll just quit out of that. There's so many things I would have liked to have done, but I needed to have finished a playable something by tonight. So that was. I was a little bit rushed in terms of my timeline there. But hopefully we'll improve it more later on. Ideally. Or flag capture. Yeah, like, you guys have no idea. There's so many things I would like this game to have. So many things that just didn't, both from time and both my own ineptitude of physically making the stuff. That I didn't get to do yet. Did I send it in already? I did. So that's all good. So I don't have to worry about it anymore. The other side of the coin is that I have other stuff to do. I have other projects to get done. So as much as it would be cool to invest more time in Ultra Tag, I need to move on to other projects. And then, I didn't. Here, let me actually rename this. I would have liked to have had that my eye. No, I'll do that later. I need to invest my time in other areas for just getting all the stuff that I need to get done. What other projects are you working on besides the VR basics for the group? Okay, so let me give you the list. Okay, so of all the things, so let's see, by November 9th, he's working on getting the ladies? Haha, no. Okay, here's all the things that I need to get done. 30% of the a decent chunk of work on another group project that is not Unity related. I want to get done the VR thing. Just be able to look around and... okay, how much I want to do about that is flexible, but we're not finishing that one. Just getting a decent start on that. I have this AI class that I just have to do some math homework, some assignments, some textbook questions, basically. It's not just math. Actually, it'll be some lengthy explanations, but some textbook homework, effectively. What else is there? Finishing an essay that I've started. I have a draft of it done, but I gotta get the rest of it done, and it's kind of a research essay, so I have to do a bit more research to finish the parts that I haven't finished. A networking assignment that shouldn't take too long, but it is something I gotta do. That's gonna be some Python programming, so that's something. Doing some stuff with a what is it? It's for a chat, not chat bot, a messaging service of just basically you have two clients and a server and they can communicate to each other and that sort of stuff. I got a midterm to study for. That's on the 12th. I got to peer edit another person's essay. So I have to write this essay myself and I have to peer edit another person's essay. I have to do 2. I already finished one of the peer edits. And then I had the tag game, but that's now done. So I can cross that off the list. Then in terms of Unity stuff, so that's all the non-Unity stuff. Well, I said the VR in that list. Now, the non-Unity stuff that I want to get done is this language localization system assignment, a dialogue system assignment, a non-Unity game, a DS game. This isn't Unity, but it is a game thing. Making a little DS game, or when I say DS game, something on my computer. Not a physical DS, but it could, in theory, run on a DS emulator. So it is essentially making a DS game. Making 2 other DS games. Now we're at 12 in terms of my list of things to do. So 3 DS games total of increasing complexity, but 3 DS games total. And then Tag Game 2.0. Yes. So that's 13 things. That's all the stuff that I have to get done in not a lot of time. So all the non-Unity things I listed, I have to get done, all the non-game stuff I listed, I have to get that done by November 14th. Some things being due beforehand, but the last thing on that list is due by November 14th. The Unity stuff, I want to get done then as much as I can in as condensed time as I can. But I have till December 8th to get done the last of the Unity thing. So Extreme Tag or Ultra Tag 2.0, that needs to be done by December 8th. So only like 2 or 3 things you can actually work on streams. So it depends on what I want to stream. I mean, if you guys want to see me stream working on an essay, I can do that. But no, in terms of what I'll stream, I think I'll stream the DS game stuff. I think that'll be interesting to see. It's gonna be C programming, I think. But that's still some game stuff, so that could be interesting. I think that's worth streaming. Okay, OBS did some weird things. No joke, people really do stream study sessions. Exactly. I mean, the one thing, I just want to be a bit careful of not getting, like, in trouble with my school if I'm, like I've been trying to avoid saying, showing, like, my school website and, like, here's the actual assignment PDFs. Here's, like, my lecture, like, my PowerPoints or whatever from my classes. I'm being, like, hesitant on showing that stuff. Like, I probably won't get in trouble with that stuff, but, like, just being like a little bit careful with it, I suppose. But for the most part, yeah, like the actual assignments, yeah, I'm streaming that stuff. So what can I stream? Let's see. So the VR game, as I'm doing right now, Tag Game 2.0, the language localization thing, the dialogue system. That's going to be some editor programming, so I think that will be neat. That is Unity stuff. It's Unity stuff to make a dialogue system. It's like an NPC dialogue system. What's happening? Oh, that's Discord. That was concerning. The networking assignment, that's Python programming, so I think I'll stream that. Anything that's programming related, I see reason to stream that, I suppose. Yeah. The AI thing, probably won't stream that because that's just textbook question stuff. The essay, probably won't stream that. And the group project, I will stream the things where I'm not actually like in a Discord call with my group. The stuff I'm sort of doing on my own, I will maybe stream that stuff. Or at least there is maybe giving like progress updates. I imagine I could do that. This VR thing will eventually turn into me working on this with a group. I just took it upon myself to do the starting it because I have the most experience with Unity and I had prior experience with VR stuff and I actually own the headset, which not everyone in my group does. So yeah, okay, this is my big extensive list, which is why, yeah, I need to get moving on things. So, in the near future, what we're doing right now is, so our tag game is done. That was priority number 1, so finish that. Second